Welcome to a journey through the intricate world of XRP token and the captivating history of Ripple. Today, we'll delve into the origins of Ripple, the unique features of XRP, its role in cross-border payments, and its potential to shape the future of finance. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you stay updated with our latest insights. Let's kick things off with a simple question. What's XRP all about? Well, XRP actually stands for XRP Ledger, which acts as a kind of digital currency introduced by Ripple Labs in 2012. But here's the twist. Unlike the physical cash you might carry in your wallet or even other cryptocurrencies you've heard of, XRP operates entirely in the digital realm. Think of it like having a digital wallet on your smartphone or computer where your XRP holdings are stored securely. It's all about transferring value digitally, which makes it perfect for sending money across borders quickly and affordably. Now here's something interesting about XRP compared to traditional money or even other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. You know how traditional money is printed by governments, and Bitcoin is mined by powerful computers solving complex puzzles. Well, XRP is different. When XRP was born, all the XRP tokens that will ever exist were created right at the start. It's like if you made a batch of cookies and you know exactly how many cookies you're going to get before you even start baking. So there's no mining involved with XRP, it's already all there from the beginning. How does XRP work? Imagine you're sending a message to a friend. With traditional mail, it might take days for your letter to reach them. But with XRP, it's like sending a text message that gets delivered instantly. XRP operates on something called the XRP Ledger, which is like a super fast messaging system for money. When you make a transaction using XRP, it's recorded on this ledger, and it's confirmed incredibly quickly, often within just a few seconds. This speed is what makes XRP stand out among other digital currencies. Now think about banks and financial institutions that need to send money across borders. It's like they're sending messages to each other, but instead of using regular mail, they use XRP on the XRP Ledger. Because it's so fast and reliable, banks and financial institutions can use XRP to send money to different countries quickly and securely. It's like upgrading from snail mail to instant messaging for global payments. XRP has some cool features that make it special in the world of cryptocurrencies. One big thing is how well it can handle lots of transactions at once, which is called scalability. Unlike Bitcoin, which can get bogged down when lots of people are using it, XRP can process thousands of transactions every second. This means even when a bunch of people are using it all at once, like during busy times, it still works fast and smoothly. Another awesome thing about XRP is how quick and efficient it is. When you send money using XRP, it gets confirmed in just a few seconds. That's super fast compared to other digital payment systems. This speedy process means you don't have to wait around for your money to go through, whether you're sending money to a friend or buying something online. Plus, using XRP won't break the bank. Unlike traditional banks that charge big fees for sending money across borders, XRP transactions usually cost just a tiny bit, sometimes even less than a penny. So whether you're sending money to family overseas or paying for something online, XRP keeps costs low, which is pretty great for everyone involved. Risks and concerns? XRP, like many other cryptocurrencies, faces risks and uncertainties due to regulatory scrutiny and market volatility, which can affect investors. For instance, in December 2020, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, known as the SEC, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs alleging that XRP was an unregistered security. This legal action created doubts about XRP's regulatory status, leading to a sharp drop in its value and causing several cryptocurrency exchanges to halt XRP trading. The SEC's lawsuit raised concerns among investors about the implications for XRP's regulatory status. The outcome of the case could have significant consequences for the entire cryptocurrency industry, influencing how digital assets are regulated in the US and globally. The uncertainty surrounding XRP's legal standing contributed to market volatility, with its price fluctuating significantly in response to developments in the case. However, on July 13, 2023, Ripple Labs scored a significant victory when Judge Torres ruled that the company didn't break the law by selling XRP on public exchanges. This decision was a win for Ripple Labs and the cryptocurrency sector, indicating progress in their legal battles with U.S. regulators. Nevertheless, the ruling wasn't entirely favorable, as Ripple was found to have violated securities laws by offering XRP to hedge funds and institutional buyers. This outcome highlighted the complexities of regulatory compliance in the cryptocurrency space and emphasized the importance of clear guidelines for digital asset issuers. XRP price prediction. Predicting the price of XRP, like any other investment, can be a bit like predicting the weather. It's complex and influenced by many factors. One way experts try to predict prices is by looking at past trends and analyzing factors that could affect the value of XRP in the future. For example, they might consider things like how widely XRP is being used for cross-border payments, any changes in regulations that could impact its adoption, and overall market sentiment towards cryptocurrencies. Currently, XRP is sitting at around 50 US cents but has been volatile recently. Now let's dive into some possible scenarios for XRP's price. It's essential to remember that these are just predictions and not guarantees. One optimistic scenario could see XRP's price increasing significantly if it continues to gain traction as a preferred choice for cross-border payments. Imagine more banks and financial institutions using XRP for international transfers, driving up demand for the digital currency. This increased demand could lead to a higher price for XRP tokens. On the flip side, there are also factors that could potentially cause XRP's price to decrease. For instance, if there are regulatory challenges or negative news that affect people's confidence in XRP, it could lead to a drop in its value. Additionally, competition from other cryptocurrencies or advancements in blockchain technology could impact XRP's price. It's essential to consider both the potential upsides and downsides when thinking about XRP's future price movements. Ultimately, predicting the price of XRP involves a fair amount of uncertainty, and it's crucial to approach any predictions with caution. As a beginner investor, it's essential to do your research, stay informed about developments in the cryptocurrency market, and consider seeking advice from financial experts before making any investment decisions. While XRP has shown potential for growth, it's essential to be aware of the risks and volatility associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. The future of XRP. Looking ahead, XRP holds exciting possibilities, including its potential to become a stable coin. But what exactly is a stable coin? Well, imagine you have a digital currency that's designed to maintain a stable value, like ones, for example. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that can see their value swing wildly from day to day, stable coins aim to provide a reliable and predictable value, making them more suitable for everyday transactions and storing value. Now here's where XRP comes into play. While XRP is known for its speed and efficiency in cross-border payments, its value can fluctuate just like other cryptocurrencies. However, some experts believe that XRP could evolve into a stable coin by leveraging its underlying technology and partnerships. For instance, Ripple, the company behind XRP, has been exploring ways to peg XRP's value to a stable asset, such as the US dollar. This could involve creating a new type of XRP-backed stablecoin, where each unit of the stablecoin is backed by a corresponding amount of XRP held in reserve. Think of it like this. Imagine you have a digital token called XRP dollar or XRPD, where each XRPD token is worth exactly 1, and it's backed by XRP held in reserve. So, if you wanted to send $100 to someone using XRPD, you'd need to send 100 XRPD tokens, which are always worth 1 cent each. This stability could make XRPD a preferred choice for businesses and individuals looking for a reliable digital currency for everyday transactions. Similar to how people use traditional fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro. Overall, the future of XRP as a stable coin holds great promise, offering the potential for faster, more affordable, and more stable digital payments. As developments in the cryptocurrency space continue to unfold, it'll be fascinating to see how XRP evolves and whether it indeed becomes a prominent player in the stablecoin realm, making digital transactions smoother and more accessible for everyone. In summary, XRP presents itself as a groundbreaking digital currency engineered by Ripple Labs to facilitate rapid and efficient cross-border transactions. Its unparalleled speed, scalability, and cost efficiency have made it a favored choice among financial institutions seeking to streamline their payment infrastructures. However, it's imperative to exercise due diligence and seek guidance from financial advisors before venturing into the world of cryptocurrency investment. That wraps up today's exploration. If you found this content insightful, don't forget to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and dropping a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more enriching discussions on cryptocurrency and finance. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to welcoming you back in our next video.